In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to Odoo website pages. If you want your website pages to be easier to understand for search engines and more appealing in search results, adding SEO meta information is an important step. In Odoo, this process is built right into the website app, so you can update key page details without needing any coding. To begin, open the website app in Odoo. Once you're inside, navigate to the specific website page where you want to add meta tags. Make sure you're on the exact page you want to optimize, because the changes you make here will apply to that page's search engine settings. Next, look at the top menu and click Site. From there, select Optimize SEO. This opens the search engine optimization settings for the page, where you can update the information that helps search engines interpret your content. Start by entering the page's SEO title. In the search engine optimization window, type your desired title carefully. This title should clearly describe the content of the page and should be written in a way that is useful both for search engines and for people who may see it in search results. A good title is usually direct, relevant, and easy to read. After that, enter the page's description. This is the short summary that may appear under the title in search engine listings. Try to make it clear and informative so it accurately reflects what visitors will find on the page. A strong description can help improve visibility and encourage more clicks. Then move down to the keywords section. Enter a relevant keyword and click Add. If you want to include more than one keyword, repeat the same process for each additional keyword. Choose words or phrases that are closely related to the page content so your SEO settings stay focused and useful. Once you've entered the title, description, and keywords, take a moment to review the preview. This helps you see how the page may appear in search results. It's a useful final check to make sure everything looks polished, readable, and aligned with your page content before you save. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Save to apply the SEO meta information. That's it. Your page will now have updated meta tags configured through Odoo's built-in SEO tools. Thanks for watching.